Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make this delicious banga stew. Guys, make sure you stay and watch this video to the end. Let's get started, guys. So let me take you through all the ingredients we'll be using for this banga stew, guys. Here is our already sliced onions, our salt to taste, our seasoning cube, our gilio. In here is our blended crayfish, our already blended my nutmeg, guys. I'm using catfish, I already soak it in hot water. Here is our meat stock fish, it says fish meat stock. Here is our already lovely blended pepper with onions. In here is our ugu leaf, and in here is our scent leaf, guys. I already cooked my banga off camera because if I start cooking it now, it will make our video to be too long. So let's get started with the pounding of the banga fruit. Let's get started with our banga. Guys, let's pound our banga fruit. You can use a bucket to do your own, or you can use, but this paste will help you to remove all the skin and you will not break it. Make sure to pound it very well, guys, so that all the banga fruits will come out very well. So guys, you can see we are done pounding the banga fruit, guys. You can see it now. So now it's time to add in. I already cooked my water, my hot water. I already boiled it. So now it's time to add in our hot water. You need to use hot water so that you'll be able to extract all the juice from the banga fruit, guys. Put enough water to your own taste so that you will extract all the juice in there. You can use bath to put your own so that it will contain it and all, but I prefer using, let me just use this mortar to finish what I'm doing. Be using a cold warm water to dilute it because it's so hot. And use your hand to remove all the palm fruit itself with the chaff. To make this banga stew is the work is so long, but after making it you will enjoy it, guys, because the stew tastes so delicious. You have to make out time to make it. You have to extract all the palm fruit and the chaff so that you will get all your juice out. Now it's time. I have already finished removing all the, oh god, I already finished removing the pancana itself. You can see what I got. I have already removed the shaft, guys, because I don't have to video all those things. It will make my video to be too long. I don't want that. So now it's time for us to use a shifter so that the remaining particle inside will not enter your pot. So guys, let's shift it. You see the down. You will not add it down so that the remaining particle will not enter your pot. So are you seeing it, guys? So you can see what we got. Our juice is well squeezed out, guys. Now it's time to set it on and put it on fire for it to boil. So guys, while our stew is boiling, now it's time it's for me to wash this catfish that has been soaked in a hot water for a while now. You can see it, guys. I want to remove all the bone. You can see the water. It's very dirty, guys. So after this, I have to wash it again. So here is what we got after washing the catfish. So guys, let's check our banga. It has been cooking for a while now because you have to cook it for long so that you will get the taste that you want, because you don't have to rush it. If you rush your bangas to, it will not give you that taste that you need. So you have to cook it for a while so that all the after cooking it, your banga stew will not be giving you that tasteless odor that you don't want, guys. So let's check our banga. You can see it very well, guys. You have to cook it so that the juice will go down. And before you start adding your ingredients, you have to cook your banga juice so that the red oil, you can see red oil already floating on top. That is the time to know that your banga stew is ready. This is the time for you to know that your banga is ready to start adding your ingredients. You can see the oil floating on top, guys. So now is the time for us to add in our ingredients. So the first ingredient we'll be adding is our onions. Guys, if you want, you can add more onions because this banga still need onions very well. So after that, we add in our salt to taste. Our banga, I see banga. Our catfish. Then our season cube, guys. Our lovely blended pepper, guys, with onions. You can see the oil is floating on top. That is the time for you to start adding your ingredients, guys. Here is, oh god, it covered. Oh, here is, I have my nutmeg well blend with our blended crayfish. So I'm using you can use goat meat or cow meat. I'm using cow meat. If you like, you can fry your meat before adding it, guys. It's our cat. I say cat with our stock water. So now it's time to cover it and to cook it for like 30 to 30 something minutes or 25 minutes, guys. It depends on your choice. So we have to cook it for some minutes before we continue adding the remaining ingredients, guys. Guys, I nearly forget to add my okpei, guys. Here is the ogiri okpei to help to bring out the taste. You see that ogiri okpei and the nutmeg. It's a very, very, very tasty spice that you need to use to cook your banga stew. It will bring out the taste of your banga very well. So let's continue cooking our banga stew before we go into the next ingredient. Please, guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you click on notification bell so that we get notified anytime we post a new video, guys. We'll be the first to get the notification. Like this video, comment and share to your friends and family. So guys, now it's time. Let's check our banga. It has been cooking for a while now. You can see it, guys. You can see the outcome. Everything is bubbling up, guys. So now it's time to add in our scent leaf, already washed very well. Allow it to cook for some minutes. You can see it, guys. This scent leaf is the banga of this banga stew. So let's put our ogo. So now everything has been added. It's now time for us to just cover and cook for some minutes, just a minute, guys, and our food will be ready. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, guys, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be getting this latest and beautiful stylish food recipe, guys. Make sure you try this recipe. It's top notch. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll be getting a lot of our home recipe. You have to turn it, guys. If you want your banga stew to be thick, you have to cook it for a while before you turn off your gas. But if you want it to be not watery, not thick, you have to off your gas now. As you can see, our banga stew is ready, guys. Bring your rice, let's pair it together and eat Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel once again for more recipe to come, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, click on the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime we post a new video, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. I really appreciate you guys. I won in a million. Thank you so much. Enjoy watching the video. Bye.